Please introduce yourself.
Hi, hello. I'm Rosemary Windam. I'm 40 years old. I'm a Filipino. I'm married. I'm a two kids. I have experience in Singapore, 2 years Finnish contract. I work to Singapore and take care the elderly people and also cleaning the house, ironing, and washing the clothes, and washing the car, and cook Chinese food, and also my experience in Macau, 1 year's contract, Finnish contract, and I work to Macau. I take care the three dogs, and and also I take care the 3 years old children, and cooking, washing the car, washing the clothes, and and cook the Chinese food. Thank you.